This FireStik LG4M2-W antenna kit provides a sturdy 4-foot fiberglass whip that delivers reliable range for citizens band communication on vehicles where a traditional ground plane is difficult or impossible. The tunable tip design makes fine standing wave ratio adjustments straightforward, so you can optimize performance without special tools or deep radio expertise. Its no ground plane coaxial cable is especially useful on fiberglass campers, boats, or custom rigs where conventional grounding options are limited. The side mount hardware feels solid and secure, giving confidence that the antenna will stay put even on rough roads or in windy highway conditions. Build quality is impressive for a mobile antenna in this class, with a flexible yet resilient mast and weather-resistant materials suited to long-term outdoor use. Overall, this kit is a convenient all-in-one solution that simplifies installation while still offering dependable transmit and receive performance for everyday citizens band use.